You're watching how to set custom ringtone on iPhone. First, you need to have the custom audio file you want to use saved on your device. A common method is to use a third-party app from the App Store like GarageBand or Ringtones Maker to create a ringtone from a song. Once you have your audio file, often in M4R format, you must import it to your iPhone's Tones library. Connect your iPhone to your computer and open iTunes on Windows or macOS Mojave and earlier or Finder on macOS Catalina and later. Select your device, then go to the Tones section. Drag and drop your M4R file into this Tones section in iTunes or Finder. Sync your device to transfer the tone. Disconnect your iPhone. Alternatively, you can use the Files app if the ringtone is saved in iCloud Drive. On your iPhone, go to Settings, then tap Sounds and Haptics. Select Ringtone. At the top of the ringtone list, under Ringtones, you should see a new category called Custom or the name of your imported tone. Tap on your custom tone to select it. You will hear a preview. Tap back to return and your custom ringtone is now set as your default. To assign it to a specific contact, open the Contacts app, select the contact, tap Edit, then tap Ringtone to choose your custom tone for them. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.